I am back at one of our conversion projects. Actually a couple weeks ago, the video went live. I did the upstairs unit, unit 2. This week, I'm going to show you the main floor unit. And actually, by the time this video goes up, we have already listed these, both of these properties up for rent. And showings have started and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to take you through and show you some before photos, during photos, after photos, kind of the same deal as I did for the upstairs. All right, let's go. Back of the house. Now this is a 1-bedroom unit. And even though it's on the main floor, you can see it's really nice and bright. It's gonna be a little echoey in here because it is vacant. So that window there is for the front of the house. And right on the other side of that wall is the front door that goes up. Now, originally, this was an angled doorway. I'll pop in a photo so you can see that was a doorway that came in. This was the living room, dining room, and then the kitchen. Now we kept the kitchen in the same spot. I mean, we ripped it out and kind of moved some of the stuff around. And then that was always a bathroom. That bathroom, again, I'll insert a photo of that in a minute when we go in there. This fireplace, this is the original mantle and the original cast iron grate, new tile. I will insert a photo here of what the fireplace used to look like. We did quite a bit of work and we actually moved it. So the fireplace and the grate used to be, because this was the living room, it used to actually be on this wall. But we wanted to turn this into the bedroom. So this is the 1-bedroom in this unit. We did do an accent wall, same as the upstairs unit, just so everything is consistent throughout the house. So this would almost be, they can put their bed here and kind of act as a headboard. And you'll notice it is a little sunk back, and it is also sunk back on this side. So we had to run some new HVAC up because we were changing the layout and we're moving some walls. So we've got a whole bunch of HVAC going up there, and we have HVAC going up in this corner. So what we did is we framed out these boxes just to make it look more decorative and kind of conceal the obvious traditional bulkhead that you would get from running that HVAC up. And then bedroom closet, nothing super fancy, just your standard size closet. And then lots of pot lights out here. Again, the fireplace, we did put an outlet above so they can, you know, kind of envisioning the tenants that living here, kind of putting their TV up here, and then their couch over here. And then nice new kitchen, more than big enough to do a table here. That is basically, I don't know, a utility room for them. So their own electrical panels in here, and their laundry is in there as well. So all new appliances. Same kitchen cabinets that we did in the upstairs unit from IKEA. And then again, the same gold hardware that we got from Lowe's. Nice marble herringbone backsplash. Then we did 2 open shelves here. That seems to be pretty trendy these days. And then the nice golden black faucet, big double sink, which tenants will love. And then I'll show you the bathroom. So same tile flooring as the second unit in that bathroom and the front foyer. Got a cute little vanity there, really good storage. It's just an IKEA vanity. Mirror, lights, we've got the black and gold theme going on there still. Toilet. And then because this bathroom is a bit smaller than the upstairs one, there is not a tub in this unit. It's just a shower, but it is a good sized shower. So nice subway tile. Oh, this is the thermostat for the house. That is basically popping on there so that the tenants don't mess around with the temperature too much. Now, I guess actually I'm really happy with how this tile turned out. Funny story with this tile though, it was not the original tile that I had picked. I had a sample of just like a white kind of, I don't know, it was like a scalloped diamond tile that I had picked. But with everything that happened with COVID, my normal tile supplier actually shut down. So I had to quickly make a last minute change and just get tile. Home Depot was open and I had to pick a tile that not only from a store that was open, but they had enough in stock. So this was the option that I came up with. It was still comparable pricing to the other one that I was going with, but definitely not the original look I was going for. But I'm actually I love this tile. It's, you know, it can be pretty chaotic, but a nice little small section like that. Really happy with how it turned out. And even actually the backsplash tile as well. The backsplash tile, originally I was going to do a really small white brick tile, but again, my normal tile supplier was shut down, so I ended up finding this from Home Depot. It was a little bit more expensive, but they had enough of it in stock to do both units, so we snatched that up and put that in. I was also originally going to do a wood tone. These shelves are from IKEA. I was going to do a wood tone here, but the wood tone from IKEA, IKEA was shut down during this time as well. You could order online, but it was like at least 6 weeks. It was way too long for us to wait. And my mom actually had these in her basement. So I asked if I could take those and we would just do the white as opposed to the wood tone, just to kind of make it work and get it done. I mean, everything turned out, but definitely a few things that we had to make do with, just with some of our normal suppliers being shut down. And then I know I pushed all the blinds up, but they are the same blinds as the second unit. They're from Wayfair. The whole house does have all new windows too, so these are nice, bright. They'll open really easily. This, I'll link this green below. This is from, so as far as wall colors go, the trim I do, it's all from Benjamin Moore. I do a super white from Benjamin Moore for the trim. I do what's called American white for the walls. And this is, I think it's hunter green. I'll double check and link that down below. I'm pretty sure this is Benjamin Moore's hunter green that we did on this wall. So yeah, I think that's about it for this unit. Let me know what you guys think. Pretty cute small unit. Definitely kitchen and bathroom, I think, came a long way from where they were originally. And then of course the fireplace looks very different as well. Right, thanks for checking out this unit. I'll link, if the unit still is available, I will link the ad down below in case you guys are curious. You can check out all the photos and the whole listing for this place. All right, see you guys later.